Everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and today we're going to make an oven roasted brie. Now, special little pizza oven roasted brie, but you could totally do this in your oven, or you could even do it on your barbecue grill. But what I'm going to do is, I've taken one of these cute little metal trays with the wood plank, right? I've soaked the wood plank. If you did it on the grill, you'd probably just do the plank directly on the grill. But I've got this thing to help me get it in and out of my pizza oven. So anyway, there's a little plank. I've got a wheel of brie. Depending on how many people you have, you might use a different size, but I probably would suggest using smaller because it cools off kind of quick and you didn't want it to get all yucky. So I would suggest doing 2 little ones versus 1 big one. So let's take it out of here. Super simple. We're just going to keep it whole. Sometimes people recommend cutting off the top. I think I like it better just whole. So what we're going to do is I'm going to roast this in the pizza oven for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to coat it with a topping of Calabrian chili and honey. Okie doke, let's put this in the pizza oven. It's been heating up for a while. Like I said, if you're gonna go in the barbecue, you just pop it right on the grill. But we're gonna do it in here because I have a pizza oven. We'll give it a go. Okay, we'll let it hang out. I'm gonna say maybe 5 minutes and I'll spin it another 5 minutes. The cheese is in the oven. Now I'm gonna make the little topping that's gonna go on the cheese. Let me tell you, one of my very favorite new condiments, Calabrian chili flakes. Oh my God, to die for. It is good. I've been using it on pizza actually. It's fabulous. I think it'd be great on eggs. And I thought it'd be really good with kind of a blandish cheese, which of course Brie is very bland. So to this, because this is very, very spicy, I'm gonna add an equal part of honey. It is so good. Just with a cracker, it'd be good. Or even like on cream cheese, something like that. I'm just gonna mix this together. Add just a dash of salt. That's it. Okay, how easy is that? Now we're just gonna wait for the brie to finish getting melty and bubbly and roasty, and then we're gonna top it with this. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes and it is ready to roll. Might have left it a little long actually. Check this dude out. No matter what you do, make sure you have something to catch the drippy stuff, huh? Woo! Okay, check this out. Isn't this fabulous? Look at this guy. I'm gonna just cut a little hole in the top because he's all puffed up. And then let's go ahead and drizzle some of this yummy Calabrian chili and honey over the top. And be sure and let this cool just a little bit because this would be totally burny right now if you tried to eat it. We'll do that. A little bit of toasted pecans for a nice little extra crunch. And then I'm going to serve it with some toasted crostini. Now what a pretty showstopper for a party, huh? Look at that. But be very, well, this is very hot because it's a metal little holder. Look how pretty this is. Should we try one? Let's try some. Oh, let's show you how this works here. Check this out. Look at this. Oh, isn't that tasty? Check that out. I can hear it sizzling. I gotta try some. I'd say it's a little messy, but worth it, huh? Okay, let's see. That's fun. Oh, that's so good. Give it a go. It's easy breezy.